Okay, so Tatiana is now making the pie crust. You can show. Tatiana is now making the pie crust. This is what we prepared earlier. See the rich, dark, golden color of it? That's because it has a lot of butter, so it comes out nice and flaky. Now to prepare that, we just take flour and mix it with some mantequilla, which is some butter, and we mix it together like we said before until you get little tiny balls like the size of peas, all of it. Then you put a little water in, cold water, mix it until you make a big ball, and then you put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. And when you take it back out, it may be hard, but just let it thaw a little bit like we had to do, because we were kind of scared at first. Then, next, we take the pie pan and we coat it with some butter, some grease, like cooking grease, and then we put some flour in it. Can you hand me the flour, please? Gracias. La harina, and we put some in it. Así. And then we have to mix it all around until we get it all over the bottom of the pan. We have to coat the whole thing. I'm going to do the rest over the sink so I don't get it all over the floor. But we have to get this all around the sides and everywhere. And then this is the pie goes in, the pie crust goes in here. Do not attempt this at home unless you're trained, because this can cause quite a mess. And then there. And you kind of tap it. And then we take the extra and we put it over there. Oh, I got a thumbprint on the inside. I got to fix that. And now our pie pan is ready. And now we just wait until we have the crust. I think she thinks she's making pizza, but that's okay.
No.
It still looks good.
No. Pero quiero que quede bonita.
And now notice we're using a bottle of wine. The finer places will use a bottle of wine. It's the cheap places that use a wooden rolling pin. We just want you to know that this is a finer, because only Jefe de Chefe will use bottles of wine.
I think it's very small.
Yes, yep. Or the pan is too big, one of the two. So no, we can. Here. No, we have to just make it more. And we roll around the edges.
Make it bigger.
Recuerde.
Okay. Entonces.
No, because before she said, "Are you sure?" I said, "Oh, okay."
Oh, okay.
One rule. No, I'm just playing.
Jefe de Chefe. One rule. Jefe de Chefe.
¿Quién soy yo? Who I am?
Huh?
Who I am?
The sous chef.
No, he told me who I am.
Yeah.
Oh.
You know who I am.
And I thought, Jefe de Chefe, so I don't say anything.
Pero we have one problem, porque abajo de esto necesita
Harina.
harina, sí.
Okay.
Okay, let me